Today we're going to be making a simple chicken noodle soup, and we're going to start off with the stock. So here I have a yellow onion. You can really use any type of onion you want. So I'm just going to take the outer layer off, and then I'm going to half it. Now I'm going to be using some root vegetables, celery, and carrots. And then some garlic for the flavor. And some pepperoni. It gives a little bit of a zest when the oils permeate out of it. So as you can see here, we have the garlic, pepperoni, onion, celery, and carrot. So get the stock pot going. You usually use it on medium-low heat, a little bit of oil in the pan, add the root vegetables, and you add the chicken, which I add off the scene, add the pepperoni, add the garlic, add some water, peppercorns, bay leaf. I usually start with 5 teaspoons of kosher salt and go up from there. And you just let it simmer down for a while. I usually let it go about 2 hours minimum. You pull out the chicken. You want to get the big parts of the meat so you can pull that off for the soup. And then I strain it through twice, making sure that we get all those dastardly peppercorns. Alright, now I slice up more root vegetables to throw into the soup. If you want to, you can add an escarole to it, radishes, whatever you want. It's a pretty versatile soup. Mince up the chicken. And then I like to keep the noodles separate so that they don't soak up all the liquid inside the soup. And there you go, nice easy soup.